My friends, let me congratulate you. You're standing on the precipice of a revolution, one that can change your life forever. So let's dive in. The world of cryptocurrency investing is not for the faint of heart. Fortunes can be made or lost within the blink of an eye. But what if I told you there was a game out there that could forge you into an investment titan? Would you be willing to play? Imagine you're the leader of a special forces team, a unique battalion, but it's not made of hundreds, it's made of just five. 5 of the best soldiers, 5 Terminators, designed by some of the sharpest minds. Imagine the geniuses that created them. They've gone over every war, every historical skirmish known to man, every strategic move. They've aggregated all of that data and created these super soldiers for us. So why 5? The team's speed and precision lies in its simplicity. Each one of them shares strikingly similar DNA. They're like 5 fingers in a fist. Alone, they're still formidable, but together, they're unbeatable. But here's the catch. Like all beings, they do have their weaknesses, but their brothers step in. When one misses, the others hit their mark. They don't need food, sleep, or breaks. Their focus unwavering. Translated into the realm of cryptocurrency investing, each soldier is a strategy indicator, their focus unwavering, and their mission to invest over a specified time horizon, bringing in returns most can only dream of. These soldiers are your lifeline in a chaotic ocean of cryptocurrency. But my dear students, here is the golden nugget. The best hedge funds in the world have already been playing this game for years. Haven't you ever wondered why only a select few rise to the top echelons in the financial world? Why only the top few make all the money? It's because they have mastered the art of creating the ultimate team. Now let's sprinkle a touch of reality on this metaphor. If you think the cryptocurrency market is like a game where you can get wiped out and then respawn, think again. In the real world, there's no load last checkpoint, but this investing game, it's as close as you'll get. This is the training ground, the simulation where you get to learn the skills and learn the ropes. If you create the best team in the world, you're not just collecting frags like you are in Call of Duty. You're setting yourself up to be an actual billionaire because you're learning real financial skills. That's the power of playing the game like a pro. So are you ready to take on the challenge? Are you ready to invest your time, your energy, your intellect into this game to become the best, to dive headfirst into the world of crypto? I ask because, my dear students, the real question isn't whether you're curious about cryptocurrency. The question is, do you want to be a legendary leader, a wealthy innovator, and a rich and successful strategy developer? Welcome to the future of investing education. Your mission begins now.